Good afternoon, and welcome to Conservative Fathers for Equal Treatment. Equal treatment under the law. That's what it's about. And fathers right now across this country, this great country of ours, as unfortunate as it is, fathers are not being treated equally in the eyes of family court. A lot of men end up in a very difficult struggle as a result of the judgments that are being passed. So wanted to reach out to and mention a couple of things. I have created a Patreon account and I've created a GoFundMe account with the hopes of like-minded folks out there to donate or pledge a small amount. And this is a big hill to get over. This is going to be something tough to accomplish. But I believe with the governors that we now have in place, the president that we now have in place, it is time for us to get changes made in the family court system and in the entire court system. I believe that this is my belief, and I believe it's my opinion that a lot of folks agree with this, that we have got a liberal agenda that is entrenched in our court systems as well as in our school systems. And the only way to make change is to take action. Now, I do not have unlimited funds to put towards hiring counsel and attorneys to push this cause. With your help, with just a little bit, if you donate just a little bit or pledge just a little bit, it can go a long way as long as we subscribe, share, and like the videos. And I hope to make them more entertaining. I hope to make them shorter. I have an under 10-minute rule that I've put on myself because my initial video was almost 30 minutes. That's too long, and I rambled on and on. I promise not to do that again. There'll be 10 minutes or less, and I just want to convey resources, updates, and thoughts on current activities that I'm seeing that pertain to our cause. I would like anybody out there that has video of maybe their court hearings, anything that they feel like was unjust and was imbalanced, if I would not mind at all uploading those videos for people to see. And I also recommend that if you have a wife that is, or girlfriend that has a violent personality and that is doing things that are just not right, get your camera out, record. This is the only way to protect yourself. It's the only way to stop this. And believe me, if you're in a scuffle with one of these women, they will be taking pictures, and that's all it takes for them is a picture. You need something more substantial. Get the video recorder out and record any type of crazy stuff that's going on. You might be smart not to hold the camera up in their face. You might set it up so that they don't even know it's going, and they'll be themselves. If you hold the camera out, it's very possible that they will tone down their craziness. Keep that in mind. And I know in my case, I was not taking the steps to protect myself. I was not calling 911 enough. I was not breaking the camera out and videotaping enough until the very end. And it's a key tool when you get into courts. It's very imperative that you have video proof of this person's behavior. If that's the case, I chose unwisely, and I kept struggling to make our marriage work. I wanted that family unit. I love our children, and it could have been a great thing, but she was so unpredictable. A narcissist that never said she was sorry about anything, never apologized or took responsibility for anything. And I made a bad mistake connecting with her, but I wouldn't change a thing because I have my 3 beautiful and wonderful children that we had, and I have so much pride in them, and I care about them very much. I wouldn't change a thing at this point, and that's the way it is. Women, conservative women out there that understand the plight of the fathers that are being unjustly put in this position, you get on board as well. You're welcome to take part in this. This is not a hate women cause. I'm not looking to crush women or anybody. What we want is what's best for the kids. And equal treatment under the law. Fathers and mothers should be looked at equally. It's a shame that we don't, like Lady Justice, these judges don't have blindfolds on, and they can't tell who is who. They just weigh the evidence and they make judgments based on that. Doesn't happen. Unfortunately, these judges are agenda driven. If they are social justice warriors, as a father, you can count on getting the worst end of that stick. And believe me. And so, a couple of things that women that are conservative or otherwise that understand the plight of fathers in today's America, please give us your comments, subscribe, share, and feel free to make a donation. We're not going to turn our backs on anybody, and we want numbers. There's power in numbers, and it could take us all to get something done. But with dollars comes the ability to do something about it. The YouTube channel might help. I don't know. That nothing's going to happen legally unless you get attorneys involved and they file motions to make change. And even if it seems crazy, there needs to be change in the family court system. There needs to be change in the child support approach that we have right now. Very important. And so those are the items. I'm at 6 minutes or so right now, so I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. Please subscribe, please share, and please like or dislike, unlike, or whatever. But your financial help is greatly needed, and I sincerely appreciate every penny that comes into this cause and allows us an ability to do something about this and take action. You all have a blessed day, a good weekend, and please join us and let's get something done to move towards a more positive reality for our kids and for Americans altogether. Thank you very much. Bye.